Hi, I wanted to come on here and show you how to create a checkout. There's two different ways that you can do a checkout in our system. So you could do the cart checkout, which is recommended if you have stores and products like shoes, clothes, skincare products, whatever that may be. Store checkouts with add to cart options are great for that. If you were doing a course or a funnel, we recommend an individual landing page or an individual checkout page. So, what you're going to do is first you're going to create your product in the store. And I'm going to do this from start to beginning, start to end. And so let's go ahead and add a product. I'm going to do a service, and this is going to be test service, and it's going to be $1,000 and $10,000 apparently. Um, you can redirect them to a custom thank you page down here. You can track inventory, not really necessary if you don't have a physical product store. You can tag them. So let's say we want to tag them as something. We can add that here. So add a new tag. I can put test tag, submit, and add them to that test tag and confirm. And if you want any additional questions on the checkout or in the cart option, you can put those here. You can add an image if you'd like. You can put the description, but for the most part, all of this stuff is going to be on the checkout page. You don't necessarily need to go that far. So down here, I'm going to hit Save Changes, and then I'm going to go back into the builder. And once I'm in the builder, we're going to go ahead and add a new page. So you're going to click on your hamburger menu at the very top, Add New, and we're going to go to Pages, and we are going to check. Oh, checkout. It's up here at the top. So we have all these different templates you can use. Of course, the colors will change as they always do, but go ahead and pick one that you like. I'm just going to pick the top one. Test. Make sure it's public. There we go. So here is our checkout with our sample product inside. So in here, you're going to have different settings. So if you click on here, you'll see at the top, it gives you the option to add the products. So you could do product select or cart checkout. For main products, we're going to do product select because I want this to stay on the page. We're going to do test service and we're going to confirm. And then down here is where you can put any bump offers, any upsells you want. So let's say we want to also add an upsell that somebody can purchase. Purchase this great upsell. Show product image. I don't usually do that, but you can. You can active by default. You can put the title, upsell, bump. I'm going to say bump just to keep it all the same. And then bump. And then you can add, and then we want to tag, let's say we want to tag them with like a bump offer tag, right? And we can confirm that. And then right up here at the very top, bump product, please select bump product. So we want to go and select the bump product offer. Okay. Below customer information above the checkout buttons, show as radio buttons. That's good for me. All right. What I'm also going to do here, and just to show you, under the settings, we can take them to a customized thank you page, which is always great. If this is for a membership or anything like that, I like to have the thank you page hold those specific instructions, just not a generalized like, nah, thank you. You can connect it to the email marketing. You can enable them to register and choosing their name and password, username and password. I never ask for address. We always allow discounts. If you want to customize any fields where, let's say you want to ask for additional information, if you do this, it'll give you the option to add those additional fields. For this demonstration, I'm not going to do that. Then what we're going to do is I'm also going to, in the style settings, you can choose if you want a 3-step process. I usually keep it 1 step. It's not that serious. So we have the options here. It would have your Stripe option or your PayPal option. purchase this great upsell. Like, of course, that will say what you said. And if they click this, it will add the cost to their services and then they can complete their order. Obviously, you want to put a little bit of sales copy in here to give them that bump offer option if they're like a one-on-one session with you or something like that. So also in here, you can change, if you want a style difference, if you want what kind of customer billing details you want, if you want to change the wallpaper, order summary, button changes. Yeah, so there's quite a few things that you can do for this, but it's all under the page. So just create a new page. Usually I like to have my pages, and then you can see here I actually have a different folder for my checkout pages. Makes it really simple for me to grab those if I'm on the phone with somebody, and I can just say, here is my checkout for X, Y, and Z, and grab the link for them. So, all right, if you have any questions, reach out to us at hello@digitalcoursehive.com, or on chat support at digitalcoursehive.com. We hope to hear from you soon and go out and make a checkout page and make money.